Hello, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is your reading. Pa-comment na lang sa baba, guys. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay sa akin yon. At masaya akong nababasa yung mga nag-share ng mga stories nila sa baba. So, nakikita ko yung mga nakaka-relate talaga. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Okay, kung bago ka pa lang, wag mahihiya. Pwede ka mag-subscribe. Yan, sana makuha mo rin ako as your guide. And I do have TikTok. Please do follow me there. Unicorn Princess Tarot. At meron akong bagong Facebook page. Actually, yung dati kasi hindi ko na masyadong na-active. So, ito yung mas i-active ko ngayon. Madam P, please do check it out. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ito gustong maglabas. So, kukunin natin yan. Page of Wands is here. Oh, wow. Wow. Air sign. Kahit wala kang gawin, nakakita tayo dito ng malaking pwedeng malaking pagbabago or messages na pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng malaking hindi naman malaking pagbabago, but rather ikaw kasi yung gagawa mismo ng pagbabago na yun. But maybe something to do with stability, something to do with career, home, finances, na pwedeng kahit wala kang gawin, parang the universe is giving you this. Diba? Wow. Malaking transformation. Okay? And pwedeng lumabas siya or dumating siya through chat, through text, through messages, through email, or tawag, parang ganun. And as simple as maybe a friend. Ito example lang Pwedeng halimbawa, yung kaibigan mo tatawag sa'yo and then will communicate with you regarding something, regarding maybe bibigyan kanya ng idea about, oy, ito maganda tong business na to ngayon, click to, magkiklik to, ganto ganyan, bagay to sa'yo, ganda ganyan. As simple as that, giving a friend giving you an idea or maybe a loan, tax, or something na ibibigay sa'yo because magaling ka, because nakikitaan ka ng potensyal, or maybe yung iba sa inyo could be uh, pamana, pwedeng ganyan, or money ng iba ang i-handle mo, and this would give you stability. It's like a major breakthrough actually, na parang wala kang ginagawa. Actually, kahit wala kang ginagawa, you're nasa bahay lang, sleeping, magugulat ka na lang, oy, may babayaran ako sa'yo, ganyan. So, pwede may mga kautangan in the past magbabayad sa'yo, or maybe mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo in the past na mapupunta sa'yo or mababalik sa'yo. Ayan. Yeah, this is like the Page of Pentacles. This is money na or stability na ibinibigay sa'yo. And you do have the Empress. So, you will feel good about this. You will definitely, alam mo yung energy is paparating. So, i-welcome mo yan, i-manifest mo yan. Very, very high chance itong bagay na ito na mangyari sa'yo at magbigay ng malaking breakthrough or pangmatagalan na effect sa'yo. Yan. Sino tong person na connect mo pagdating sa love? Of course, maganda na yung message sa career, no? How about pagdating sa love? For air sign, please. Person na nakakonect ni air sign. Person na nakakonect ni air sign. Person na nakakonect ni air sign. Please, spirit guys, angel guide. Oh, wow. What is this? There's a past person energy with the Six of Cups. This past person, mahal ka pa rin yan, no? The lovers. Pwede nagkaroon ng relationship, friendship, or partnership sa inyo. Three of Swords. Nasasaktan siya Nasasaktan siya. Pwedeng itong person na to, magulat ka na lang, bigla siyang mag-message sa'yo regarding something, and pwedeng hindi kasi siya okay during that time na magme-message siya sa'yo. This person is really not okay. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa love relationship niya currently, or regarding sa emotion niya, nasasaktan siya, etc. Pwedeng mag-message siya sa'yo, maybe for you to help him or her na malagpasan ko naman itong emotions na nararamdaman niya. This person really do loves you. Mahal ka niya with the Ace of Cups. So, messages for ear sign, please. For ear sign. Wala shuffle. Okay. Eight of Swords, the Death card. Okay. Oh, wow. Yan. This person, sa pagbabalik niya pa kasi parang gusto niya bumalik sa buhay mo. But, ikaw ito nakikita natin hindi nagiging open, lumalayo, umiiwas. You know, and pwedeng umiiwas ka na baka may magalit, or yung iba naman hindi, basta umiiwas ka lang. With the Death card, yeah. I feel like, pwedeng ikaw na kasi yung napagod, or you don't know what to do. Yan, ganun. Yung iba pwedeng hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo sa pagbabalik nitong taong to. So, this person is like saying sorry, yung iba sa inyo. But anyway, air sign, mahal ka niya talaga eh. And parang may mga bagay siyang iniipon or pinag-iipunan para sa'yo, ibibigay, something ganon. Or pwedeng pinag-iipunan lang. This person, nakikita ka niya as the King of Cups, wherein siya yung Queen of Cups. Gusto niya ng something stable sa inyo, hindi kanya kayang i-let go talaga. Parang kaya niyang akuin or gusto niyang akuin yung mga responsibilidad. Yeah, this person is coming in here fast. Gusto niyang magbigay ng offer or something sa'yo, but of course, what will happen in the future for you? Ear sign. For ear sign in your future, please. Two of Pentacles, Five of Wands. In the near future for ear sign. Five of Cups. Clarify the Five of Wands and Five of Cups. Okay. Page of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles is here. Clarify the Five of Wands, Five of Pentacles, and Five of Cups. There's this Page of Cups. Okay, wait lang. Okay, nalaglag yung mga cards. Wait lang. Air sign. The Emperor. Two of Swords, Ace of Wands, and the Sun. Okay. Nakita ako dito ng some of you, may mga bagay kang bina-priority in the future eh. Pero pwedeng hindi masyadong mag-workout ito. Ang laki ng energy dito na some of you, this is a relationship with someone, pwedeng co-worker, business partner. No, not business partner. Kasi pagdating sa money, okay naman eh. I mean, yeah, pwedeng may kinalaman sa love. If you are currently in a relationship, pwedeng hindi masyadong mag-workout itong relationship na to, and this will bring you sadness, galit, and paghihiwalay. So, I can see back-to-back offer of new love or new people na gustong maging part ng buhay mo. Like, they want to replace itong taong mawawala sa'yo. Like, this could be related sa love. Yan. And, yung iba naman sa inyo, kung wala ka namang karelasyon, I can see na may mga tagahanga ka dito. And they really do like this energy pag tuwing hindi ka okay. Kasi parang feeling nila may silbi sila. So, gagamitin nila itong opportunity na to para mas mapalapit sa'yo. And some of you, there's a high chance ng renewal of a relationship, pagbabalik nitong the Emperor energy. The Six of Wands is lumalabas as parang pagbabalik na energy. And there's going to be a new beginning. Of course, yung decision is nasa sayo with the Two of Swords. And I feel like possible na maging masaya in the future itong relationship na to. Kasi parang this is what both of you want, no? And medyo magulo yung naging nakuha kong energy kasi kaya kunin mo lang kung alin yung sa'yo doon. Okay? And there's a decision to make in the future pagdating sa iyong love. Kasi marami ang gustong maging parte ng buhay mo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.